It is because 100 years ago, President Lincoln helped to free the people who were slaves. It was during the Civil War. President Lincoln knew that slavery had to end. Now it is 1963. There has been no slavery for a long time. But are black people and white people treated equally? No. And that is why people are in Washington today. They have come to protest. They will speak out against something they think is wrong. In the South and in some other states, there are laws to keep black people and white people apart. Black people cannot eat in many restaurants or stay in many hotels. In movie theaters, they must enter by separate doors and sit way up in the balcony. On public buses, they have to take seats in the back. There are signs that say for whites only. Even water fountains say white or colored. Which of these fountains looks nicer to you? Black people and many white people want things to change. It is time for a change. It is past time for a change. In the crowd are some grandchildren and great-grandchildren of slaves. Many of these people have been part of protests before.